Okay, so what I'm going to do with this problem over here is I'm going to use Sage to do it. Let me see if I got Sage code down for this one over here. I don't. But anyway, I'm going to go through Sage to do the problem, and I'm going to open up Sage. I'm going to reset, and then what I want to do is I want to solve the equation. All right, solve. And what am I solving? I'm solving x minus 5 over the square root of x equals 6 for the x. And by the way, we found 3 solutions over here. Let's see how Sage does. And by the way, Sage gives me 3 different solutions to it. So what I want to do is I want to, kind of look at those solutions over here, and I'm going to just simply say the solutions for this problem is equal to what we just output. All right, let me just display S for you now. That's what S is. So I want to do S 0, right-hand side, and I want a numerical approximation to that. And what do you get? Get that number over there, right? Now I'm going to do S1 now. And I get a negative number. And I'm going to do S2, which is pretty obvious what that is, but let's write that down anyway. And that gives me minus 1. Now I want to remind you that looking at the original problem, by the way, that x has got to be a positive number. So the only solution for me would be S0, all right? So I'm going to say the solution for me is S0. That's the only solution for me. I don't want to do numerical approximation. I want to just say that's what that is over there, all right? Now what do I want to do? I want to figure out what x minus the root of x is. Let me type that in, x minus the square root. Whoops, I'm sorry about that. I didn't mean to do that. Underscore, that's the output from the prior input, minus the square root, SQRT, of the output from the prior input. And I'm hoping this gives me the number 5. It doesn't, all right? Now someone says, what happened over there? I guess Sage is not doing the simplification on it. So there's always a problem here. Someone says, well, you did the work, you said it was 5. I want to just keep simplifying this if I can. And first thing I'm going to do is I need to try to simplify it and see what happens over here. Oops, made a mistake. I typed simplify wrong. All right, I'm going to try expand. The point of this is you have to start to realize that, sometimes software can cause more problems than it's worth. At least for me, by the way. And now I'm going to just simply try to approximate it. Whoops. Whoops, off the screen, right? Wow, 5. All right, as expected. All right. Now, again, I'm not quite clear why Sage is not writing down 5 for that when I ask it to expand, simplify. I'm going to try to factor it. Did I try factor yet? Simplify, expand. I haven't tried factor yet. Let's try that. But I have limited skills with Sage, and that's why I'm trying different things. No, it's still not doing it. I'm going to try bool. And I'm going to type that number in again. Does it equal 5? Yeah, it finally says it's equal to 5. It's identical to 5, by the way. All right, that's just a casual observation of my inability to use Sage properly, all right? How to play around with it. I'm probably better with paper and pencil than I am using Sage. However, you want to start getting exposed to Sage. I really do mean that. Get exposed to it. Thank you.